Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE heating element part #WD05X30298. GE heating element part #WD05X30298 is a replacement part for GE electric dryers. It is a heating element that is used to heat the air inside the dryer drum, which helps to dry clothes. The heating element consists of a coiled wire that is surrounded by a metal housing. When electricity passes through the coiled wire, it produces heat, which is then transferred to the air inside the drum. This part is made of high-quality materials and is designed to last for many years. It is easy to install and can be used with most GE electric dryers. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WD05X30298 heating element can be used to fix symptoms such as a dryer not heating, taking too long to dry, or not producing any heat at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dryer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the back panel of the dryer by removing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Locate the heating element and disconnect the wires from it. 4. Remove the mounting screws that hold the heating element in place and remove it from the dryer. 5. Install the new heating element by reversing steps 3 and 4, making sure to reconnect all wires securely. 6. Replace back panel and secure with screws. Then plug dryer back into wall outlet to test new heating element. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.